My name is Dr. Nicole Kirpalani. I am an associate professor at LIM College in New York City. I earned a PhD in business with a concentration in marketing from the City University of New York. LIM College is focused on the business side of the fashion industry. It is located in the heart of Manhattan, just off Fifth Avenue and around the corner of the Museum of Modern Art. My background is in marketing and international business. My teaching focuses on global marketing, international business, and global management. One of my research interests is sustainability, specifically within the fashion industry. You may know that the fashion industry is one of the largest global polluters. Unfortunately, textile production comes with significant amounts of greenhouse gas emissions, water use, and the use of hazardous chemicals. In addition, a lot of microplastics end up in the oceans. Large amounts of single-use plastics are discarded in landfills. There is still limited transparency as to how fashion products are produced. However, the fashion industry has recognized these problems, and that's a starting point for change. Many of today's businesses regard sustainability from the point of view of the so-called triple bottom line, which calls for the assessment of business results not only in economic terms, but also with concerns for environmental and social impact. In addition to the environmental impact mentioned before, apparel production also impacts the lives of workers in many countries around the world. With the triple bottom line perspective in mind, I will discuss several examples of brands that have been successful in incorporating sustainability objectives. I will also outline differences between luxury, sportswear, and fast fashion brands. If consumers know more about the brands they are interested in purchasing, they can make more informed buying decisions. That, to me, is the start of a powerful change process. I am excited to participate in this lecture series and start a conversation with you. One of the things I would like you to take away from the lecture is the profound social and environmental impact that the fashion industry has, as well as the sustainability efforts that are currently undertaken. It is important that we are all educated about where and how our clothes are produced. I am looking forward to our discussion.